So hey guys, welcome to day 13 of me becoming an AI and ML engineer. So as we have seen, we have deployed a machine learning first logistic regression model on AWS. Now today we are gonna start with the next algorithm, which is logistic regression, and after that support vector mechanics. So these are the next two algorithms which we are gonna learn today and implement them and create few more projects based on that. So yeah, let's proceed. Okay, so we have just finished our theory part of logistic regression, and now it's time for practical implementation. So we are going to begin with start practicing on logistic regression. So yeah, now let's begin. So guys, we just now finished our practical implementation of logistic regression. Now it's time to start support vector mechanics, short form SVM. And in SVM there are two types. One is support vector classification and support vector regressor. So there are two parts in SVM. So yeah, now let's go. Let's do this. So guys, we have just now we just finished theoretical part of SVM. So now it's the practical implementation. So we are gonna start practicing SVM and see how it goes and how it works on the data set. So yeah, now let's begin our practice. Yeah. Yeah, it's not allowing us to give them prediction. So we just completed till SVM. So now it's all about planning for further things. So how we gonna do is so we are gonna ask ChatGPT to give us the problem statement for the next upcoming things and the practice set. So now we are gonna start practicing on these things. Third. So we are gonna just get our practice session for this each one. Okay, okay, this is easy. I mean, these all are very easy compared to us. Okay, then let's see the project. House pricing prediction system. Okay, intermediate project. Student performance predict course, multiple feature performance, real estate analytics. Okay. And rigid lasso, applied rigid regression on simple data set. So where okay hyperparameter tuning and model optimization. Okay, so we are not gonna okay, so this is what our project prerequisite. So as you know, we are going to use one tool, which is okay. So now we just created our practice set for 4 algorithms. So one is for linear regression. I mean, you guys have already seen. So how are we gonna do is, we are gonna just start implementing one by one in the next session. So in this session, this was the thing, this is what we have done. So yeah guys, we'll meet you in the next day. Till then, everybody take care. Bye bye. Have a great day guys.